Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th. We are on chapter 19, fundamental operations. So we are going through the introduction part and signs. We will talking about plus minus signs. Okay, that's the backbone of this chapter. If you'll understand this, how to add or subtract different integers or different terms with different signs, then you will win this chapter. Okay, so 4 plus 3 12. No issues here because this is extremely important. I've already written. So 4 plus 3 12 as it is. Now see, out of these two, I told you if plus minus is there, you have to minus only. Plus minus or minus plus, you have to, if any one sign is minus, you have to subtract only. Okay, so 4 minus 2 2, and out of 2 and 4, which is greater? 4 is greater. So there is no sign, means it is plus. 4 is greater, 4 sign is plus, so no need to write the sign. Now here if you'll see, minus 6 and minus 3, both are minus. So when both are minus, you have to add. When both are minus, you have to add. Please listen very carefully. When both are plus also, see here both were plus, we have added and sign of plus. When both are minus, then 2 we have to add. So 6 plus 3, 9, and the difference here is here minus sign will come. Okay. Now again here both are minus, so again 8 plus 8, 16, 17. So both are minus and sign will come of minus. We have to add them. Here also if you'll see, both are minus signs, right? So both minus minus plus only. So 42 plus 13, 55. And since both are minus, so here also minus. See, even both signs are minus. We have to add them and we have to put sign of minus. 1 plus and 1 minus. So we have to minus only. So 53 minus 10, 43. Okay. And 53 and minus 10. Oh, sorry. 53 and minus 10. Yes, which is greater? 53 or 10? 53 is greater. 53 has which sign? Plus. So here nothing means plus sign. Minus plus, what you should do now? You should subtract it. So 47 minus 27, 20. Okay. So when it's 20, 47 and 27, which is greater? 47 is greater. So what is sign of 47? Minus. So I have to put here minus. Please revise this. This is very important. If you will understand this, then only you will be able to solve next exercise. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now, so we have seen how to add or subtract integers, that is numbers. Okay, so when two numbers are there or when two terms are there, but when more than two terms are there, what you will do that time? Okay, because you will say plus plus plus, I know, but what about if three or more plus 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 comes? Okay, so that we'll see now. So when more than two terms are there, now for example this 2x minus 4x plus 5x. So now first thing you have to check is whether they are like terms or unlike terms. So if you'll see here x, x and x means they are like terms. Okay, we can do the further things. What things we should do is, there are two options children. One is write 2 minus 4 plus 5. Separate all the integers 4, 2, 4 and 5 and write this x outside. Writing x outside is extremely important. Now 2 minus 4 minus 2 plus 5x. Now you will say how minus 2 came. Now only I have taught you when plus minus. Plus minus is minus. So 2 minus 4, 2. And 4 is greater than 2. So what is 4's sign? Minus. So minus 2 plus 5. So minus 2 plus 5. Now again minus plus, out of this if 1 also minus is there, you have to subtract. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay. What is, which number is bigger, 2 or 5? 5 is bigger. What is its sign? 3 plus. So no need to write here plus. So but this x to be carried. So what is the final answer? 3x. Okay, this is the one type. This is the one method. The other method is, if you get this type of like terms and you have to add or subtract them, what you should do is add all the positives. Now you will say which is positive here? So this 2x, no sign means 2x is positive and here also 5x is positive. Okay, so what I have done, add all positives. First I have added all the positive numbers. So 5 plus 2, 7x. 5 plus 2x, 7x. Okay, and then add all negatives. Now here only one negative number is there. So no need to add others also in this. Only one is there, take it as it is. If one more negative number is there, add these two negative numbers also. So, but now since no other negative number is there, minus 4x. Understood? So add all the positives. So I have arranged it according to positive numbers. So 2x plus 5x minus 4x. So 2x plus 5x, all both are positives. 7x minus 4x. 7 minus 4, 3. So this is the rule. When more than two terms are there, add all the positives, then add all the negatives and subtract them. Remember this thing, add all the positives, then add all the negatives and subtract them. I hope you will understand this. For example, this ab square c, ab, this is what you have to do is first add all the positives. So no sign means positive. So this is positive. Again plus 4 means it is also positive. So two positives are there. So 9 plus 4, 13. 13 ab square c. So add all the positive I have added here. Now add all the negatives. Now here two negatives are there. Minus 3, minus 2. So 3 plus 2, 5. But you know sign will come of minus. Yes. And subtract them. Add all the positives. Both are plus plus. So I have added. Add all the negatives. 3 and 2, 5. And subtract them. So 13 minus 5, 8 ab square c. Okay, the key is add all the positives, add all the negatives and subtract them. Okay, so now exercise 19a I'll be starting in the next video. Okay, so please go through this video number 1 and video number 2 of this chapter. It is extremely important and please read the chapter. Reading of the chapter is very, very important. And see, addition and subtraction of numbers or terms with different signs, how you will be perfect in that is only through the practice. One time you have watched the video, miss, I have not understood. This will not work, because unless and until you take pen and pencil, sit with it and solve, you won't understand this. So please go through the videos again and again, especially video 1 and video 2, because they are the introductory part. And if you know the perfect addition and subtraction of integers, that is plus, minus, minus, plus signs, then only you will be able to do good in this chapter. Okay. So thank you so much, children, and study this chapter. It's an important chapter. Okay. This is the base of algebraic expression. So please study. Thank you so much.